Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. After that, right hand side you can see this is search icon. Just click on it, then enter the model number of motherboard, then hit enter. Then click on product, then click on your motherboard name. Click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. So guys, first download, after that I show you installation. So audio driver, and click to download to start downloading. You can see here in the start downloading chipset. First download this one, serial driver, download this icon. Second, download this one, INF installer. Scroll down, then LAN driver, internet driver, ethernet driver, you can say. Just click to download, and then VGA, Intel VGA, display graphic card driver. So download this icon. Then WLAN means Wi-Fi and BT means Bluetooth and Wi-Fi driver. So download same, just click download. It will start downloading in the download box. You can see here, and just complete it. Then click on this icons. So it will open where it is your downloading. So this is your driver. So wait for complete. So guys, it is completed. So first download all driver. First select this and right click and extract all, and same locations, just extract it. Okay, it will open and close it. Okay, this created this folder, we can see. Then info update, right click, extract all, extract, and same close it. You can, then this one, right click and extract all, one by one do that. Then this, right click, extract all, and then extract. So one by one extract all or your driver. Otherwise you can without extract and you just double click to install. But sometime we get the issues in this last. then it is done and close it. Then just right click to refresh it. So this is your actual driver and this is also your, but this is extracted. So guys, first open this, select, right click and run as administrator. Then click on yes. So wait few seconds, this is installing. It will take some time. Okay, it will close automatically, means this is install it. Okay, it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then go to back, then second one, same, select and right click to administrator, run as administrator, and then yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Go back, then third one, just select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Because installations process very simple. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then fourth one, open, select, right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means install, and then come to back again. Then fifth one, same, select and right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then back, then second last, this one, and this is last. So open this, select, right click to run as administrator. After that, click on yes. So it is closed, means this is installed. Back, and last one, graphic driver, just open it, and the same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is installing driver, this is graphic card driver, display driver, monitor driver, you can say that. So it will take take some time. After install the all driver, then restart your system. Okay, restart so important for your system after install the driver. Okay, thank you.